Happy Thanksgiving. It's already next week. We have Thanksgiving. This year I decided not to host a holiday party for Sun Yoga, but we will be hosting a retreat next week. Next week, Saturday, not this Saturday, but the following on the 30th. And we'll be doing all-day event, but you can stop in for any segment that you want. 6 a.m. Coco Head hike for sunrise. Sunrise is at 6:40, so we have time if we start at 6 a.m. sharp. And then we come back by 8 a.m. We'll be doing ice baths at the farm. Please sign up for each segment. Let us know if you're coming. 10 a.m. we'll have yoga on the deck with a gorgeous view. And then at noon we'll have farm to table lunch. At 2 we'll have a personal development workshop. At 4 we'll have a little Samba dancing Samba class. At 5 we will have cacao ceremony, cacao meditation, and then sound bath. Finalizing with a bonfire at Sun Farm. Come if you can, you're invited. Let's spend some quality time together, connecting with ourselves, with each other, with nature. We hope to see you there. Let us know if you're coming. Sign up on the link below. Aloha.